Don't get left behind. Back in 2009, Jim Carroll, the world's leading futurist on disruptive trends and innovation, said, "It isn't necessarily the big organizations who will own the future. It's the fast, it's the agile, it's those who can change. It's those who can keep up with very rapid change and ingest that change." Over a decade later, those words couldn't be more true and more relevant. The COVID-19 global health crisis has forced the acceleration of digital transformation. Steltix is partnering with ambitious organizations to transform and optimize their JD Edwards environments. By migrating to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, Steltix is helping JD Edwards customers to have their core system always on, ready to drive innovation and solve critical operational problems. Steltix can have you up and running in OCI within a couple of days. Our smart automation tools for data migration and testing secure a smooth start to your digital journey without disrupting your business. Don't get left behind. Start your digital transformation journey today. For a limited time only, we're offering free cloud migration strategy and roadmap sessions. Discover why you should move to Oracle Cloud with Oracle Cloud migration experts who will prepare you for your OCI migration and kickstart your digital transformation journey.